What is going on, guys? RD-07 here. This is a video that I've been interested in making for a little bit, just because I've been so excited about seeing this car hit my shelves and my pegs, and that is RD-06 for 2025 in the Hot Wheels Designed By series. And I am very excited about this for many reasons. First of all, because it's a pretty good looking casting. Metal base, the plastic body resembles the old, I don't know, it just looks really good. And then you got the green translucent wheels that are close to the original drone shade. I'm not sure about this hard plastic in there, but it's close enough, and I'm happy that it's here. And this means I think we might be getting close to an actual ACCELERACERS series. We've had the Diora 2 Teku design from last year. You had the cars appearing from ACCELERACERS and Hot Wheels Unleashed and Hot Wheels Unleashed 2, both games. And Hot Wheels is acknowledging ACCELERACERS. They had the NFTs, as dumb as they were. Well, just I didn't care for them, and many people didn't. But these are cool. It's good to see ACCELERACERS back in the kind of mainstream. And if these sell enough, and obviously they're paying attention, oh wow, that's cool, to the way that they're probably scalped some people that work at Hot Wheels and Mattel, I think they'll keep going with these. These sell. And this is a great car. Metal base. RD-06. And these cool wheels. Got the drone decals. I think that's the same as it was. Like I said, not a fan of the shade of green on this like reinforcement plastic that they got. It's a little bit too green. It needs a little more yellow to be this lime here on the decals, but overall, I'm really happy with this RD-06. I've seen people buy dozens and dozens of these, and honestly, I never did that because you couldn't. These were so expensive, and then they were rare right afterwards. I might buy myself a little fleet of these. That would be a fun little display. Hopefully they make more drones and we get a silver series for ACCELERACERS, but I'm not gonna get too ahead of myself. I'll get myself a dozen or so of these as I can. That'd be a fun display. Anyway, guys, RD-06 ACCELERACERS is back. Subscribe for more videos. Have a good one.